The digital divide is greater now than ever before. That's why the People's Network aims to provide accessible internet coverage for urban areas, with tens of thousands of cities now powered by Helium. San Jose is the very first city to officially join the rapidly expanding Helium ecosystem and use a blockchain-based incentive model to bridge the digital divide for its 95,000 citizens lacking access to the internet. By deploying Helium-compatible hotspots to volunteer residents and small businesses, San Jose is able to increase internet access for more than 1,300 low-income families with Mind HNT. The wireless infrastructure enabled by the hotspots is also used to improve the delivery of citywide services, such as air quality monitoring, fire detection, and applications to fight climate change. San Jose is paving a path forward for smart cities and governments to create equal opportunities for citizens through widespread internet access and connected services. That's the power of the People's Network.